Let's take a look at multiplying polynomials using the FOIL method. FOIL is an acronym for F first, O outside, I inside, and L last, and that indicates the order that you should be multiplying the terms of your polynomial. Here I have my first terms are x and x in both of my polynomials. So I'm going to start by multiplying x times x, and then my next term is O. My outside terms, I have an x and a 2, so I'm going to multiply my 2 and my x together. And then my next term is my inside terms. My inside terms are going to be 1 and x, so 1 times x. Adding that in there, and then L for my last terms, and my last terms are 1 and 2 in my binomials. So I'm going to 1 times 2, and then I just simplify this, and so I get x squared plus 2x plus 1x is 3x, and plus 1 times 2, which is 2. Let's try this again. I'm going to make a copy of this and bring it down so we can kind of stay color-coded. So I want to use FOIL to multiply these two polynomials. So I'm going to start with my first, and my first two terms are x and x, so x times x. My outside terms are 1 and 4, so x and 4, so 4 times x. And then I'm going to do my inside terms. My inside terms are 3 and x, and my last terms are 3 and 4. 3 times 4. Then I just simplify my equation. I have x squared plus 4x plus 3x is 7x, plus 3 times 4 is 12. 2x plus 5 times 3x plus 4 if we use the FOIL method. We'll bring this over with us. And so we will first multiply our first terms, which 2x times 3x. My outside terms, which are 2x and 4, plus 2x times 4. My inside terms are 5 and 3x, so 5 times 3x. And my last terms are 5 and 4 in these two polynomials. So all I need to do now is simplify, and I have 2x times 3x, that gives me 6x squared, plus I have 8x plus 15x plus 20, and then I can combine these like terms here, 8x and 15x. I have 6x squared plus 23x plus 20. Let's do one more. I'm going to use my FOIL. So my first terms are x times x. My outside terms are 3 times x. My inside terms are negative 5 times x. Don't forget that negative sign to carry that with you. And my last is negative 5 times 3. So now it's just a matter of simplifying. I've got x squared plus 3x minus 5x minus 15. I can combine my inside terms. X squared minus 2x minus 15.